Hello! This is a video guide on how to use Dotag Fast and ProTracks. Let's first go through how to use Dotag ProTrack. ProTrack is mainly designed for making markings onto layouts and drawings. Here we can see the main page of Dotag Pro mobile version. From here, you can choose either Fast Track or ProTrack. Let's press the Pro button. Now, when you have pressed the Pro button, the first thing you see is an example worksite folder. This folder contains an example worksite layout of a small house. You can create as many worksite folders as you want. You can also insert PDF drawings and layouts. Let's take a look at what this example worksite case folder contains by pressing the text area. We can see that the worksite folder contains a drawing. Let's open it. Now we have our example PDF layout opened. At the left-hand side, you can see all the marking tools which you can use to do your markings. Let's take a look at the camera tool. You can use this camera marking tool by pressing the camera icon and then tapping at the layout location where you want to add the marking. All the other marking tools work in the same way as the camera tool. First, you press the tool you want to use, and then tap on the layout where you want to add the marking. When the location has been defined on your layout, the software opens the camera view, and you can take a picture to add it to your layout. After the picture is taken, the software automatically opens up a text writing field on the right-hand side. You can add your marking text by pressing the text frame. After you have typed in your marking text, you can save your marking by either pressing the blue Enter button or the Save button on the right-hand side. You can reopen your specific marking anytime by pressing the button of that particular marking. You can even change the location of that particular marking. Okay. Let's assume that we are ready with our markings. Let's press the Save button in the lower right corner. This saves all your markings and the view changes back to the layout view. Now that all your markings have been saved, we can proceed to make a report from them. Just press the Select to Report button in the right corner. Now you can select all the layouts you want to add to your report. You can have one or more layouts. This view shows how many layouts you have chosen to add to your report. For example, in this case, it shows that one item has been selected. To create your report, press Create. Your report is created in a few seconds. You can type in a headline for your report. On the next page of your report, you can see your layout without any markings. This is the so-called clean version. In the page after that, you can see all your markings in one page, so it's easy to find the marking you're looking for. The next section of your report covers all your markings in detail. Here you have just one marking per page together with the location of that specific marking. Now that we have reviewed our report, we are ready to send it. In the lower right corner, you can see a red button. If you tap it, the Send Report button will appear. Let's press the Send Report button. This opens the Send Report view. There are two options. Either you can send the report to your email or to your colleague's email as a PDF format. Or you can send the report to Dotag Manager. You can edit your report at Dotag Manager. So take a look at the Dotag Manager video also after this, so you can see all the extra benefits. So far, we have been working offline. This is the first time we have to be online. So let's press either Log In or Send to Manager. To be able to log in, you have to contact Dotag Sales to open an account. You can also press Buy Tickets button in the header and make an online purchase to send the report. Let's assume that you have login information. Now the software logs you in and knows who you are. When you are logged in, Dotag knows who you are and opens the Worksite folders you created. From here, you can choose to which folders you want to send the report to. When the report is sent, Dotag informs you that the operation was successful. We have covered how to use Dotag ProTrack. Let's take a look at how to use the Fast Track. Fast Track works almost the same way as ProTrack. The only difference is that in Fast Track you don't need all the layouts at all. All markings are done on pictures. Fast Track is very useful when you need to make markings fast and you don't have the layouts ready. Before showing how Fast Side works, let's take a look at the features we have made for you. This window can be opened by pressing the icon in the upper left corner. Here you can choose to see your report archive and select Screen Mode. If you're using a tablet, you can select Tablet Screen Size or you can select Phone Size. Alright, let's press Fast Track button. First, you can see your options. Import pictures from your device or take pictures directly. Let's try to import from the album first. The software now opens up all the image content on your device. You can choose which picture you want to add the marking to. Now this picture appears in your tablet of content. To make markings on this particular picture, you can either just tap the picture itself or the three dots icon and, after that, pressing Do Markings. You can also take pictures directly with Dotag by pressing Take Pictures. Now let's say you're done taking the pictures and you want to do the markings. After you tap the picture, or Do Markings, the marking feature opens up. All the marking tools work the same way as in ProTrack. Now you can do the markings to your layouts in the same way as in ProTrack. The reports are also done in the same way as in ProTrack. Just press the pictures you want to add to your report and press Create.